is no mercy. Every second is a fight to survive. On dry, silent ground, death waits without a sound. The cobra, armed with venom that can end life in seconds. And the mongoose, small, fast, lethal. There's no hesitation. One strike means the end. Across the open savanna, there's no mercy. The lion, a symbol of power, but the hyenas come in numbers, hungry, relentless. This is not just a fight. This is dominance. Survive or be destroyed. Beneath calm waters, something deadly lies in wait. The crocodile, still, patient. But the hippo is no ordinary prey. With brutal force, it can crush anything in its path. In a violent instant, the water becomes a battlefield. In the cold wilderness, tension fills the air. The wolves circle, slowly, calculating. They don't rush, they plan. The bear stands alone, but one strike is all it needs. Here, even silence feels deadly. From the sky, death falls without warning. The eagle dives, fast, precise, unstoppable. But the snake resists. One bite can change everything. From the shadows, the killer waits. The leopard, unseen, but always watching. The baboons fight back, together. Chaotic, brutal, in seconds. Silence turns into madness. In a smaller world, the cruelty feels closer. The hornet attacks, merciless, unstoppable. But the bees do not run. They swarm, surround, and heat. Slowly, they kill without a single strike. In the wild, there are no heroes, only survivors and the fallen. In the wild, only one rule remains: survive or be forgotten.